with a little bit of luck, we should be able to remove the gearbox.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, good morning. Here we are. We have that main rear seal leak, probably. Well, it ain't the axles, that was just the oil that came from there and, well, it found its way backward while driving.
So it is definitely a rear main seal leak, as one of the symptoms is the exact oil leak we see here.
Yeah, that means we gotta have to take out the gearbox. So we have both never done this before, and the idea is to lower the subframe, and then we're gonna remove that side of the subframe, and this side we're gonna leave, but just loosen it so we get that effect, and then with a little bit of luck we should be able to remove the gearbox. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is to remove the airbox. Yeah. Right, let's get to it. Right, so we got a little bit of a view now from the top, and yeah, there's gonna be a whole lot to remove. Yeah, we can stand here talking about it for hours, but we're just gonna dig in, see whatever happens, happens, as long as we're out here in 4 days, because then the shop opens again. Yeah.
Let's get cracking. Farty.
Farty? You gave that one a name?
Yes.
Alright, got a little bit more room, let's continue. It's fused together. That is really stuck.
Jesus, man.
There it is. Yeah, that hose is gone. I don't know if we had do we have a new one?
No.
In the... No? Well, let's make a little list of all the parts that are broken and we didn't have yet. Vacuum line, brake booster. Right? Oh no. Oh no.
Well, in order to get the clutch cylinder out, we first remove the starter motor.
Yeah, whatever that is off now as well. So we're gonna have to replace the PCV system anyway, and to get to the starter, yeah, it just gives us more room if we replace the intake manifold as well. So yeah, let's just take that off right now, and then we got a little more room.
Yes.
Yeah.
Komt die normaal uit?
I have no idea. It just keeps on coming.
Google.
Well, these were so stuck that this side bent, and these, well, I don't know if they were supposed to be rubbers at some point, but they are completely hard and one of them broke. So unfortunately, yeah, we're gonna have to order those in time. Well, we gotta bend that part back. Hopefully it stays in place then, but yeah, of course, this is all old stuff and that is what it is.
We're supposed to take out a gearbox, right?
Yeah. Shite.
This
Should slide off, I guess. Yeah.
Wait, maybe take it out first and put it in.
Oh, that's not that exciting. It's just a piece of rubber, which it feels good. Oh,
It's leaking.
a little bit of gasoline in there. Let's see if we
Maybe
can.
we'll get a kit and we'll replace them all.
Yeah, let's see what's available.
Yes.
Let's bend that rail back into shape. And this is a, yeah, you're saying that right. This is a good way to get to know this car really well.
Particularly the engine part.
That's not. Yeah. Yeah. Good. That's tight in there again. We were able to fix that. We do have to get these new rubbers though.
Yes.
I'm gonna add them to the list. Some kind of injector repair kit. Right, now back to the intake manifold. So there's also some more oil on top, that probably from the PCV, I hope, or that seal.
Cap.
The seal on the cap could also be...
Because this is also full of oil.
Oh yeah.
Let's add that one
Let's
to the
add that
list.
to the list. Jesus. So much work to get to the gearbox. Well, this isn't necessary for the gearbox, but this is necessary for the PCV system, which we are going to replace at the same time.
Yes, because else the main seal might leak again.
Yeah, exactly. So it goes like here, and then it starts opening here.
So we need to tighten it.
Yeah, we need to tighten that. It's got play on this thing, which is old. Maybe order that one new too. What do you call that? The throttle linkage thing?
Throttle linkage to the throttle body thing.
Well, in theory, everything's loose now. Get the bolts out of the intake manifold, and then that should come right off.
So, bottom bolts, they got a sleeve, so you can lift it and then remove it. So you don't have to remove the bolts,
Right.
I guess. So it should slide up somehow. Oh wait, there is another one here.
Oh.
No clue what I'm doing, but it's stuck to the manifold.
Hey. That's it.
There she goes.
Yeah, now you're free. Right, there it is. What happened here? This is a... Wow. It's completely melting away. Okay. Right, so that PCV system is pretty much shot, so I'm glad we already got the replacement kit.
It's just falling apart.
Yeah. I'm guessing it's all clogged up, and that's the reason why the main rear seal broke, so... Well, now let's get back to the starter and then to the gearbox. Now, take it out.
It's all. That did the job. You can see the flywheel.
Ooh. Alright, so we're gonna try and pull that whole clutch assembly as one part out of there. There's two lines right underneath there. If we could disconnect those and then disconnect that cylinder there, then it should come out as one piece. I also remove the bracket there, because that line goes right through there. So if you don't want it leaking, quick tip, get a hose clamp on there. Starting to move.
Yes. Come on.
Hey. Right then. Now we should be able to somehow pull this out as one piece.
Got it.
Yeah, just that.
Yes.
So we gotta remember it goes in like that.
Beneath these two.
Yeah.
So we're gonna remove the shifter cables from there and there and there and there.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Nope.
Right, that bracket needs to come off.
Move that also because it might be in the way.
We need to remove the crankshaft sensor right in there. There it is.
And that is all we could do today, so thanks for watching and see you the next time.
So much work for a little seal.
Ja. Oh, ik heb in één keer een versnellingsbak in mijn handen. Ja. Wauw.
Everything has to go schwierig.